Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh, baby. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. This thing's been through war. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And now we're going to open inside and see what it is. Oh, boy. Okay. There we go. You guys over there. Oh, the globe is spinning. Alright, this is going to be coming from O-Conn, I do believe. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. Check them out. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And we have here, whoa. Charging chainsaw. Chainsaw Charlie. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Classics. Ooh. Okay. Everything, we got gloves. Okay, you get gloves. So that's a good thing. Right off the bat. Looks pretty comfy. You get the charging base. Right, your charger. You need... Whoa. Get another backup saw chain. You get some screws and bolt or a thingy. Screwdriver. And you get another set of chains. I think this is a guard. Or maybe an extender. Saw chain. Why is this empty? Oh, here it is. It fell out. So that's what the chains look like. And we got the charging base. Here's another set. Why did these fall out like that? You got a lot of chains. So you get like 4 chains. Different sizes, I believe. 4x28, a 6-inch. And 4x28, 6-inch. Okay. It must happen during shipping. But I mean, everything looks fine. No damages. We're going to test this out for a sec. It is pouring down hail. All that good stuff today, so we're not going outside. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's coming down good. It's only like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's dark. Okay, so you get a nice little case. You get the charging power. You got the battery. Okay, be careful, guys. Operating machinery. Make sure the kiddies don't use it unless they're well trained. I probably gotta charge the battery, huh? Of course. Yeah, this is a nice grip though. Got some branches down. Let me charge this thing. If not, I'll use the other one. Let's see. Alright guys, we got it fully charged now. Everything works. And watch this. Be careful. Push. Bam. So it does do some good work. Definitely check them out. They got a nice little package going on. O-Conn on Amazon. My affiliate link will be down below. Got a lot of goodies with this one. So definitely check them out. and get some yard work done, housework, whatever you need to get done. I got the blades. Just make sure you put the protection back on. Make sure the kitties don't touch it because it is very sharp and it will hurt you. So be careful, you guys, while using any kind of power tools you buy. Just common sense. And like I said, kitties should not be using this. Adults should. So, alright, YouTubers, check it out though. O-Conn, Amazon. Be safe. Have a good night.